LNG containerized refueling installation is highly integrated with storage tank, submerged pump, vaporizer, LNG dispenser, and other equipment into a containerized skid, with the features of compact construction, small footprint, easy transportation, convenient installation, etc. Equipped with control system and instrument system, plug-play. It has the advantages of short erection period, fast commission, high cost performance, and low investment. It's the best choice for investors with fast, batch, and large-scale construction need. The technology of HQHP LNG containerized refueling installation is leading in the world, and it has obtained a TEX, PED, MD, MID, and other international certifications. It has the functions of unmanned refueling, dual-line online saturation adjusting. It has a wide range of temperature adjustment, high measurement accuracy, fast response, zero bog emission, and is applicable to a variety of vehicles. Equipped with intelligent control systems, such as video monitoring system, and constant temperature control system, with high safety, a high degree of intelligence, has functions like voice prompt, intelligent refueling, self-service offloading, automatic identification of cylinder pressure, automatic pre-cooling, automatic venting. The device has a variety of communication interfaces, large storage, supports 180 languages, meets Modbus, IFSF, and other communication protocols, and can achieve intelligent settlement with the International Mainstream Union Pay system. It supports remote online program upgrade. Operation and maintenance are very convenient. As the designer and manufacturer of the first set of LNG containerized refueling devices in China, QHP has advanced production level and exquisite craftsmanship. Each device has gone through strict factory inspection, with reliable quality and excellent performance.